Welcome to the Swissbit booth at Embedded World 2025. Let's have a look to our latest innovations in the field of embedded solutions. Embedded systems can be found in numerous environments today, which perform controlling, monitoring and regulating functions in almost all industries and especially in mission-critical systems. The problem is that embedded systems face major challenges. An increasing number of cyber attacks and unauthorized access to these systems, and the resulting increase in global regulation and standardization. But here we have a solution. Our new security upgrade kit, which can come in different form factors, not only as microSD cards, where we target in the first single board systems. With this product, we have focused to provide our security solutions with a seamless user experience, very friendly to implement, not only for powerful retrofit applications to securing these solutions, but also very cost efficient, ensuring the protection of embedded systems and helping to comply with relevant cybersecurity regulations. The security upgrade kit is based on a robust, industrial-grade microSD card and offers hardware-based access control, real-time data encryption with AES 256 and allows customization using multiple protection profiles. Finally, I would like to share with you one of our first use cases: a secure external storage mechanism. The card is configured to protect all the important data partitions. With a security upgrade kit, all important partitions and their data are locked. Let's think about a PLC controller. During boot, the PLC needs to authenticate using a PIN or other mechanisms to unlock the data. When an attacker is removing the card, the protection is switching on automatically, so all data stays hidden, cannot be seen or manipulated. If you would like to know more about the security upgrade kit, just get in contact.